Hi everyone, continuing my amazing adventure with the Bentley. Where did I go? To a robotic car wash. I got tired of dealing with this appointment and washes that take up 1 million hours of waiting, so I decided to try this. My friend recommended it and said, "You will get the wash quickly and will be free." I thought, wow, I don't need to wait my usual car wash for several days, weeks, and pay a lot of money and waste a lot of time for it, about 2 hours. And after car washing, it's not perfect, but it's clean enough. Better than before. It's almost clean. And if we look at my wheels, it's new brake system. And right here is carbon thing not washing good. Oh, I'm parking like a pro, so close. It's unusual for me, but I'm parking too good. Yeah, like professional. And from back, it's almost clean and everything good, very cool, very cool. And it's too lot space for my neighbors. I think they will be happy. And for $5 car washing, looking amazing, amazing car after wash. Bentley, love this car, and car loves me. And again, I continue collect different errors, glitch in my car, and now about tire pressure, and I don't know what it happened. Usually it helps when you move back and forward, but usual only glitch uh, one tire, but now it's glitching all tires. I'm trying to move toward, back and toward, and move my car in different ways, and maybe it happened. Now I'm looking about it. So interesting. What happened now? Mm, Is it help or not? So interesting. And again, trying to close door. No, doesn't work. Because usual. Oh, now it's working. Because when I close from another side, for example, I'm trying open here. If it doesn't locked, it's already locked. Okay. But here, so strange. But I see what everything is locked. Okay. I don't know what happened with tires. As usual. See in next time. Go to my work. Uh, let's continue. So where we are at South Gates, it's about market, package arrived today, cargo in big box. Maybe anyone need it, you will receive from China, and I don't have enough space to put it all, and need to separate, uh, avoid scratches, and I unpack it and load in the car. Warm enough on the street. It's about 30 March. Tomorrow will be 1st April. Everything fit in. Uh, as a parking girl next from me said, "Oh, nice work car." I said, "Yeah, I won't get a Rolls Royce, but decided to start with a Bentley." Now we delivered package to marketplace. I will go on the car to bring this box to next point, and now it's closed. uh, Everything closed, and I am ready. Oh, so dirty again, because I am running after washing only on wet road and it's again dirty. Mm. And after rainy weather, it's not so convenient wash it and oh, better wait good weather. Oh, so cool to see my car from far enough and go too close. So beautiful, so magnificent. Ah, and I can go. Oh, some glitch again. And I can go to my work, continue it, and start. Oh, it's working good because some last times it was broken, but now it's working and start. And what we see again, it's error about my tires, about pressure, what I must to fix. Because sometimes have not this error, sometimes it's okay and need to repair. In gloves because I don't want to damage my wheel with my, how to say, sweat from hands. And I'm arrived in beautiful street, and here I need to bring my package, but don't. It's can't to be. It's only one left because it's impossible to. It's impossible to deliver it, and I take it home. But okay, I done most work for me, and I will go with another business. Some troubles begin. All bags package, and I can go another point. It's closed and start my engine again. I don't understand. Is it good noise or not? Uh, something rating. I'm not specialist. I have no idea, but it's so interesting because I can't look under it, and if I can look, I don't understand anything because I'm not mechanic, and don't understand. Run flat. How I said, oh, you can see it's like rainbow, so beautiful. It's a little bit dirty, but look as rainbow, perfect. Yeah, and back not so, not so shiny. And okay, open trunk, get my packages, and go to home. Um, at how beautiful full fits like sports car, and because it's from up to down you can see it, and use 100 octane fuel, the best in Gazprom. And again on robotic car washing, after weekend I want to stay my car mm, for all week because I'm not using all week, only on weekend. And I'm always worry about hitting the mirrors. It's don't touching about this washing mechanism, but I'm always worries. Is it fit enough or not? Don't understand. Uh, mm, the robotic doesn't perfectly, of course, like hand hand car washing, but it's only 15 minutes and it's already clean. Because on car wash and washing hands, it's 19 minutes, maybe longer. It's much price so high, and this kind of washing for me is perfect. Uh, Maybe later I will go for washing hands washing, and cleaned everything inside, outside, bottom, top, everywhere. But now it's only for oh great, it's enough. But later, of course, I wash everything for beautiful car, beautiful Bentley again. Ah, and already done. It's shining. it's clean because weather is warm, no any rain, mm, no wet floor, everything bright. And you see rainbow again, yeah, like rainbow, so colorful, so beautiful. And these wheels, for me, I'm so love it because previous owner, it's white, it's from original Bentley, it's for winter tires. When I will change for summer tires, it will be another wheels because I have two different wheels, and this kind I love so much because summer version is so different and not so shiny. It's like classical for Bentley. And again, I put so close to a wall. It's doesn't right, and I don't feel about car how it's fit here. But okay, I will study about it and will be more better in next time. Of course, everything closed, and I already leave it. My beautiful Bentley, beautiful, so shiny.
Again, also dirty floor. And again,
And
come to the
I got
service,
I
car
will see
service,
next
and
time.
have another
Again,
Bentley GT2
service
with some option.
some Bentley and want to check what about
And waiting
tires
when it
and
I'm so
wires
lucky.
here
I have not neighbor now.
and what happened.
No
Uh,
car close and so
and
comfortable. I
what
can
she
clean
said,
from this side.
they
And you
said
see again, it's
mechanics,
down.
is it good or not? They said it's some about
It doesn't good, of
inside
course. It's down on the
don't
wheel.
receive signal
And
from
from
these
this
wheels
side, I don't think
because it's lost
is it
for
down.
four
But
wheels
we will see
in
from
one
another
time,
side.
and it
But
doesn't
anytime
problem
it's
inside
done.
wheels. It's from
At
receive
this side,
mechanism
it's more
in car, and I
you
need to
see.
taste when I will
And if you
change front radiator, and where
compare
they
with
will
this
test
side
about
is
everything
so, but
and
more higher
what
than
it's with
another.
wheels.
We will fix on next
And
week. Yes.
again,
Think
I see that
like this.
oh, inside we have a salt after
Like
winter,
this.
and I'm decide why I
Hot
don't
water.
arrived
I don't know. I
for
see
car
on
wash
YouTube
inside. I
because
brought
my
kettle
car wash
and
service
inside
say for me you
hot
can
water.
return at May. We have a
After Moscow winter,
lot of people and can appoint
washing
you
you have
now.
to
I
do.
say,
It's
why
not
so
very
on?
deep
I don't
clean,
want to
but
do
still
myself.
water in
But
kettle
if I have a
and
time, 1 month,
some
I
water
will try
on
to
the
clean it. And
microfiber,
if doesn't
soak
help,
the
of
salt
course I give
on the cloth
another
and use
company
another
to clean it total.
clean cloth
Everything clean
microfiber
for my
to
carpet.
get
But
water
okay,
from,
I will try.
and
It's
it will
interesting
be
for me.
dry off
Is
and
it help
everything
or not?
look great.
Because
And
not
this
so
way
much
I
salt
removed salt.
and carpet,
It's
and
so simple
maybe it
how
help.
you look only for
Don't look
2 minutes,
so
and
heavy
after that
to do it.
it's great. Um, Honestly, I
From
didn't
this
taste too
side,
much,
looking good
and
now. No
it's
salt,
so clean.
but
And after
when it
winter,
will dry,
it's looking
I will see.
good. From my hand wash,
Is it
it's not
dirty
like professional hand wash,
or
but
not?
I think
But now
it's
we
enough
have not
for
any
my
salt.
carpet.
When
Maybe
it
I
will
do
dry, I
everything
will see.
total clean inside,
Is it good
but
or not?
it's
And
okay.
we'll repeat.
I
And
think
now
it's
we'll do from
quickly
another side.
and not costing it any
Oh,
money.
what I
We can do it.
already clean it from this side, and my neighbor return.
Have some
No, comfortable now to do it, and
so beautiful BMW.
helping
Neighbor,
with him.
beautiful,
First time,
wonderful,
and
amazing BMW. I
he have new
not
modding
a BMW
from
fan.
front
They
of the
drive
car.
like crazy, very
Look,
fast.
very
I like
aggressive,
this.
that's what it will
His car
change
beautiful,
views.
and
Apex
uh,
and a
when
lot of
we
tuning.
talk with him,
So cool looking,
he
quite
changed
cool.
a lot of
But I'm
details on the
continuing
car.
to cleaning
Inside
on
a
this
lot of
side.
things is
After
and
repair,
now I go another day to the service. They car washing because they changing front radiator on the car about radiator. Oh, so black you see because one broken and they said, oh, your original must have black one, and we can change everything, but we have not four, or only one. Oh, Brooklyn, so beautiful for two people, but it's so big for me. For me, it's so big. Bentley GT and Brooklyn, it's impossible. And they will have all blacks will change. This one thing cost about $100. It's original, but I'm thinking, oh, better change a red one and help me how to put it, because if you don't at this point, you can broke it. And on the service they tell about it, or put like this and will be okay. And already everyone is red, and change radiator, car wash, and testing about antenna that receive signal from wheels. And they said we test everything to understand why it's happened, and testing about pneuma, why it's so low. When I left car for one day, it's low, but don't find everything. They advise for.
Hello everyone, and I again with my car and decide to clean a little bit from front side wheels, because I will change from winter to summer version, and want to see how is condition about these wheels. And from front side, not inside of course, inside little bit dirty. I decide to check my wheels how's condition, and looking very good. I think it's winter version and summer version is so different and is so beautiful when I don't know how to when it's clean and so bright with think is like a rainbow, so beautiful. But now, oh, it's like this, looking very good with good light outside. But now, and from this side, you see what it's B is like new by $100 about, because old version is damaged and need to change. When I was at service, oh, it's so rusty. It's back. I think we'll change it a little bit later, because on service said it's not need to change, but sometimes I heard it noisy. And now I a little bit clean inside, and it's old version, it's broken. I before show you, and it will be like on my desk at work, like how it's. I remember what I have Bentley, because I don't see every day it, and when I look at my table, I will remember what I have it. I want to at my neighbor cool carbon thing. It's so cool, like sport version. But I don't like BMW, because I don't prefer drive so fast, but look very beautiful. And now inside a little bit about skin with condition do, because a lot of time spent now do it, and little bit dirty inside. Show myself, not showing you, it's still me. Outside it's rainy, and I hope when I go Sunday not so rainy, and my work will be waste. So beautiful, everything beautiful, my car beautiful, neighbor beautiful, and a little bit far have another Bentley, so beautiful too. Always look very good when I'm starting car and is when engine starts and looking like sport car, a lot of CO2 and view you looking it's up a little bit in normal position, but starting like furious car. And now going to change my wheels.
From back the car, starting. I hope maybe sometimes it will be have a fire, but no, it's look only like this thing. So beautiful, magnificent, so beautiful Bentley. My Bentley, beautiful. I'm so glad to see it.